MC Hero D, in short the modern Herodotus. It's time to put the past on blast and all of you to notice. We spit these bars and flow just so that all of you can know this, that history's for you and me, not just teachers and the POTUS. So kick back, chill and let it flow, and on this journey we will go. By tomorrow you will know a new act of this Heroes Show. What's up? It's your boy MC Hero D, in short the modern Herodotus. We're about to put the past on blast as we talk about the Great War, the war that supposedly was going to end all wars. It was a shock to the world. World War I. Strap in, get ready. Here we go. Modern world, machinery, dominance of land and sea, competition getting heated, world resources depleted. Secure your border in the new world order. Fear of power, need for power, conquer nations by the hour. Keep your friends close, those you fear near. Memorize your country's new cheer. Austria, Hungary, join forces with Germany, a double nation sensation, a new incarnation, Central Powers' desire for world domination. Watching this deal being made, England, Russia, France became afraid. In case of aggression or sudden attack, each swore to have the other one's back. Then the Duke got killed and first blood was spilled. A global commotion was now set in motion. Millions signed up to join the world tour and laced up their boots for the First World War. But they had no clue what they should do with this fight so new. Duck and cover, dig a hole, keep your head down, drop and roll, nowhere to go. Progress was slow. How were these young boys to know that new weapons of war made this war a chore? Shell after shell, trench starts to smell these daily reminders that war was pure hell. Days became years, screams of pride turned to fear. What in God's name were we doing here? Now across the pond in the USA, Wilson said join in. Hell no, no way, not our war, not our problem, for sure not our fight. Neutrality's clearly the thing that is right, but death tolls rose quickly, turning panic to mania. And then the shocking news of the Lusitania, and the Kaiser wouldn't chill. Warned if our ships came there, they'd be blasted by U-boats subject to warfare. To add insult to injury in an act unexpected, they sent a note to Mexico which got intercepted. Now we had no choice, Congress had to respond. This world war had come to our side of the pond, and US had doughboys, enough men to end it. Told Europe, hit us up for what's needed, we'll send it. As a nation, we never back down from a threat. Our machine now in motion, we would make them regret. Our people kicked in from all over the nation. Women filled jobs, there was a great migration of blacks to the cities and soldiers to the line. The draft was enacted just in time. The War Industries Board made factories efficient, while war bonds were bought to supply ammunition. But not everyone saw war as the right way to go. Dissenters spoke out, but the government said no. Free speech right now, it's a clear and present danger. Might be helping enemy causes it cause you to be a stranger. The Shanks versus US was a bill of rights revision. Speaking ill against your country could send you straight to prison. You may consciously object out of religious respect, but in the end, most of the nation found it correct to stop the Central Powers from their quest for domination and their disrespect of freedom and the building of free nations. In the end, the good guys won because the Allies stood united, but the cost of war were way too real, the future undecided. But Woodrow Wilson had a plan, 14 points for peace, ideas to promote freedom, trade, and future wars to cease. And though the Treaty of Versailles contained Wilson's revelation, Congress shot down his crowning jewel to lead the League of Nations. No more wars for now, peace temporarily achieved. A world safe for democracy, the threat dissolved indeed. But what the Great War showed us as 10 million soldiers fell was the world we made to improve life could take us down as well. There it is, y'all. World War I. A war that did not end all wars, but certainly showed us what modern warfare was all about. Peace and truth, Hero D. Out. It's all about the hip-hop history, because the story of the past is no mystery, because cause and effect can cause you to reflect, and it never quite ends the way you expect. So we spit out these bars to tell the whole story, the winners, the losers, the pain and the glory, keeping it flowing so you could be knowing the various ways that this country be growing. Put your hands in the air if you're ready to be immersed in the hip-hop history. I said a hip-hop history, coming to you straight from Hero D.